Hi friends, let us start today a creating calculator. Here I have Visual Studio. Okay, first I press it and it will select from the source and the list. So as I press the button, then it shows me the screen where you see this Ultimate 2012. I wanted to go with C so that in the past we have been used. Okay, today here we have to work with C sharp because you have different languages. You could see C plus and F sharp and SQL Server for database and Visual Basic that .NET. Okay, so we are working on this big drive calculator. Okay, and here we have that we are using application. We can create this blank or console or different methods of creating the any kind of programs, but here we are wishing to create the first one that's mostly favorable. Okay, so I click OK. This is the property of the screen. It is written here properties. It means it will show you all the kinds of updations whatsoever this form is required. Okay, and here it is the project that called Resolution Explorer. That's very important. Okay, without this you cannot hold it, so always you require the Resolution Explorer. Even when you close this program or this project, even you have to go on file and close resolution from here. Okay, it means the completely on the tools and type here what we need for calculator. We need a text, so we can take this here and require buttons, so you can type here and button. So this button will be here, and we need label. We need only single. Okay, that we can copy and paste if we require. So first of all, here I need a heading calculator. So what I do, this all about. Okay, now we say okay, so this is looking here like. Now what text there? We have to go to text. There is text here and type it calculator. Okay, so friend, now it is here. And equal to. Okay, these are the buttons several we needed. So okay, and here we have 4 buttons equal to. So here we should type the text equal to is first I click on this button, because the programming, as you see back, this is C# page will be displayed. So as you see here, these are the several things ever are very important. And here it is, we have the button, equal button. Under that should be coded, and even friends, every button has code required. So how we can type here, we have to assume something at the top. So okay, this is namespace, and here we have the declaration of form, and inside this you have to define what we are going to do here. Okay, put the name, last number. Okay, last number. And second, we can put here box should have. So what we are having here, that we are having is 1. So this should be taken first. So it declares that the button itself, as pressing it, it will override this line. Okay, and if on the text box there is something remaining, so it will put that within this and add it, or that will be within that value plus 1 will be added, or the same operation we can put on another. Okay, it means if on the text box, it means that is we put here on the top. Okay, if it is blank, then after pressing this button it will show you only 1, or if there is something already having in the text box, so it will calculate as the previous number will be there, and this will apart from that. It means not adding, it's not plus means adding, but it is means it will put both the values there. Okay, the same thing we wish to do in the to button. Okay, so what do you have to do, we press it. If the this value not equal to 0 is equal to 0 and there is not null, so the value should be 2, or if there is something, so should be added, put both the values together. Or we go to third number, we put the other value already, so it will put both of them. Okay, if you see here, so if 9, if there is a value, then 9 will be there. If there is a value as equal to 0 and will not null, then that will be 9, but if there is a value, then both of them will be visible. Okay, the same thing with 0, that will be displaying both of them. Okay, so it is the way how we can prepare a program for our structure or creating can see, you can copy and paste it here. Only the thing should be changed is there should be the function of rate should change as in the form of that of plus or added as whatsoever. So today here that this value is multiplied, so we can plus star here, okay, because that's used to multiply some values, okay. And here we have divide, so same thing can be done here, and the result should change as to divide. Yeah, it's functionally well, I think so. We should not try to remove it, but here we were adding, this was plus, so it should have plus, okay. And the last one we have is minus, okay. So what do you do here, as we have the minus value, okay, it was that's wrong. We have to try here this one and put minus, because that will calculate minus, okay. Here is point, so this should show enter dot text equal to txt enter plus 0, okay. This should, so that and plus add means both things will be displayed here. Now we need to work only on this and cancel we have been done, that's 0, and here we have equal now number, okay, final. Now what do you do here on this, if you should say if to we put the star, okay, then result will be star. It comes to make multiplies, okay. This is done. Now I can see, we can check out if there is something. If I press 1 or 2 and then multiply by 2, so the result should be 24. I can cancel, I can 7 into 7 divided by 9, it will be, oh, that's wrong. See, if I press 7 or divide by 5, so result is 12. This is wrong. If I press 12 and divide by 8, so result is 20. Division is looking wrong. Else if I say 20 minus 7, 13, that's good. Why this is going to be wrong? Okay, because here is the operator not working well. So friends, this is the way. Now you can see your program is working well. I could see 26 divided by 6 equal to 4 point this and this. Okay, so friends, this is the way how we can make calculator. Now today you see the complete program of coding, what we have to code it here, and how each button working like. Okay, so friends, this is not bigger but a twisty and good program. So I hope you enjoyed it and you have looked it better. So friends, I would say thanks and be with us for next programs. Thank you so much.